Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, an herbalist and holistic health practitioner and your host of Plant-Based. Today, I'm going to tell you about parsley. Parsley is a member of a family of plants that also includes celery, fennel, anise, cumin, coriander, caraway. It's a pretty fabulous family of plants. Parsley comes in two different types most commonly. You have curly parsley with the leaves all crinkled up and a little bit more of a bitter flavor. That's typically your garnish. And then you see the flat-leafed or Italian parsley, which is what we use primarily in cooking and for medicine. So parsley, like most plants, is high in antioxidants. It's high in vitamins, particularly A, C, K, some of the B vitamins. I mean, these are common facts about a lot of plants, which is why we love the plants. Parsley does have a very specific sort of action on kidney, liver, and lymph. If you're watching this video because you've heard of parsley tea for detoxification, let me just explain a little bit more about how exactly that works. One of the ways that parsley is detoxifying is in its action on the kidneys, the liver, and the urinary tract. And it's a sort of purger. So it will remove excess water weight and kind of act on those organs to sort of release whatever they may be retaining. And then by inhibiting salt reabsorption in the body, it's keeping everything moving. So it is acting as a diuretic. Over time, that can be overdone, so you just want to be careful with it. Parsley tea is one way to consume parsley and to get the benefits of it. I think it's really important to know that you can consume parsley in many, many ways to get the benefits. Parsley's volatile oils, which are really special, have been called chemoprotective because they are neutralizing carcinogens. Those are things that can come from environment, cigarette smoke, or if we're grilling meats and we're getting those charred edges on the meats, those can be carcinogenic. So this is why chimichurri can be such a phenomenal complement to your perfectly blackened grilled meats. All right, so we are going to make a chimichurri. A 1/4 cup finely chopped flat leaf parsley, or lots more if you want more of that parsley. One-half cup chopped cilantro. 2 tablespoons finely chopped oregano. 1 shallot finely chopped. 1 Fresno chili or red jalapeno, finely chopped. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, thinly sliced or finely chopped. 1/2 cup olive oil. 1/2 cup red wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon salt, more if needed. Combine all in a mixing bowl and let it sit. The longer it sits, the better it gets. So 15 minutes is good, but a couple of hours is even better. Serve it alongside your grilled meats or use it as a salad dressing, mix it into soups, drizzle it over avocado toast. It's fabulous so many different ways. Okay, so here we have our chimichurri. It is full of so many fresh green herbs, including that amazing parsley. It smells like heaven. It is so good on your meats, on toast, on anything, and sometimes I end up just having it straight from the spoon. I would not recommend against that. herbal, spicy, has that vinegar kick. The oil just kind of softens it all together. It's so delicious. There's so many nuances of flavors, and it's so good for you. For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.